You guys, I'm getting like super into coffee. I got a coffee bean grinder and I got a French press and a gooseneck kettle. I'm making my own cold brew. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing the very first Ulta haul of 2020. That is right, you guys. I did go to Ulta like 2 days ago and I picked up a few things. A couple of these things are newish, but then a lot of this stuff has actually been out for a little bit, but it's very new to me. I'm super excited. And if you're new to this channel, then hello. I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. And with that being said, let's jump on into the haul. Okay, so the first thing I actually want to mention here is something that I have literally never been able to find in any Ulta store ever. Every time I go check, it is literally always sold out. I can never find it. So this is the Kylie Skin Vanilla Milk Toner. I feel like a lot of people that have used Kylie Skin are saying that this one is like the best thing that she has come out with when it comes to skincare. So basically what happened is you see that little like kiosk of Kylie Cosmetics and then Kylie Skin, and then they have it open on the side and you can get the stuff out of it on the side. I had to go around the back of the little kiosk because there's two sides, and then I found one of these in the back of there and I'm super excited about it. I can't really use toner since my skin is so dry, but I did watch a video from Sierra Schultz. She used Kylie Skin for a week or 10 days, whatever it was, and she said that this was the one thing that she thought really made a difference. And then here's what it looks like. I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to try it out. I need to just get me some of those little cotton rounds or cotton pads that I can use to apply it, but I'm so excited about this. Next up, I got this little brush set from Morphe. I have already used this. I used it in a upcoming Get Ready With Me to where I do a full face of first impressions. I don't know if this haul is going up before that video. If this haul goes up before the full face of first impressions, then just know I use these already. And this is a little Morphe brush set. It was launched with the, I forget the name of the palette. I'll have it up here or up here, and it's like the pastel kind of dreamy palette. It's really very, very pretty. I couldn't find the palette, it was sold out, but I did pick up these brushes because I do like these kinds of brushes. I do like Morphe brushes in general, and then this one did seem to be kind of like a big fluffy brush, and then this one is like my favorite. I haven't used this one though, but this one is like a super tiny crease brush. And then this one, I've actually been needing one of these. It is like a tiny little eyeliner brush, or you can use it for your eyebrows as well. So definitely super into this. Next up, I got a few things from Maybelline, and one of these I have already used. I'll put it back in its little packaging here, but I got the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Corrector Concealer. I have heard a lot of people talk about this. I wanted to give it a shot and see what I think. I'm actually wearing it right now, and I gotta say, I'm liking it so far. And then I got the shade. I gotta say, I think it looks pretty darn good. So I'm happy with this so far. But yeah, I haven't ever tried this before. It's something from the drugstore, and I love trying new drugstore stuff, so I picked this up. I actually got a few shades, but this was the one that I thought would actually work the best for me. Also, I got the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I am using this today, wearing this. I am wearing this today as well. I have it under my eyes. I have stopped setting my entire face just under my eyes, but I have heard really great things from like Kathleen Lights, just kind of all over the YouTube sphere with this powder. So I found the shade that I could use. I have it in Fair, and I tried it out. I do like it. I think it does like a nice blurring effect. I took some pictures before I filmed today, and I didn't have any flashback issues, so I quite like it so far. Now, the last things that I got are all from Colourpop, and I'm actually wearing all of them right now as well. The first thing is the new Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Tinted Moisturizer. You guys, I've been sleeping on this. I've only used it once. This was the first time that I used it today before filming this, and I gotta say, I'm liking it so far. I think it's very pretty. I got mine in the shade Light 6W, and I've heard so many things from Kathleen saying this is really super nice. I'm liking it so far. Here is what it looks like. I think it's a super good match for me. I apologize if the lighting is kind of dark. I have no idea why. I have one light, a light on over here, my bedroom light, and then my huge ring lights. I don't know why it kind of looks dark.
So I don't know, it looked super dark when I was filming it, but as I was editing it, it doesn't look as dark, so I don't know.
But I was not sure what I would think about this tinted moisturizer, because when I think of tinted moisturizer, I think of something that doesn't have very much coverage. It's just something kind of there to just give you a tiny bit of color, and I'm usually not super into that, but I gotta say, this one is doing pretty well so far, but I will let you know. I'll keep using it, and then I'll let you know if it ends up being in my favorites video, then you'll know that I super love it. 3 more things. I picked up one of the blush sticks in the shade Mini Me. I'm wearing this right now as well for my blush, and then I'm also wearing the light sticks in the shade Star Brite, and I'm wearing this as my highlight right now as well. I am trying to get more into cream products, you guys. I haven't really used very many because I didn't have a brush for it, and I recently got a brush that I think I can use. I got it in Ipsy box, like I think a month ago or 2 months ago. I do quite like this. I love the fact that these really make your skin look very smooth. I have very dry skin and it looks pretty nice in my opinion. And then let me actually swatch these ones. Here are what they look like, and they're so pretty. Like, look at this. Wow. And then here's the blush, here's the highlight obviously, and I think they are so pretty, and they're not like super crazy blinding on the face, but like they're really nice. And then the very last thing from the haul today, I did pick up the So Juicy Plumping Gloss from Colourpop. This is in the shade Princess Cut, and it is literally just a clear lip gloss. I don't like these little squeezy tubes very much. I would much prefer, if it was in a squeezy tube, fine, but I would prefer a wand. But these are really like throw it back to the 90s, back when you had like Limited 2. Remember Limited 2? I think it's called like Justice Now or something. And you would have those like squeezy lip glosses. Yeah, so this really reminds me of that, and this is such a good gloss. Like, I have it on right now, and I did not know that it just makes your lips look so shiny and like glass. I really like it a lot so far. It does have a little bit of like a plumping effect, kind of like a menthol tingly sensation. Not my favorite, but I don't hate it. It's not super intense or anything. But you guys, this has been my haul for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. I apologize if this is kind of a shorter video, but I really wanted to show you guys what I got from the haul. But yeah, you guys, that has been the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I posted when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!